Hello. He's here with the car. Obama is here.
5 years ago, I shipped my car across the country from Atlanta to Las Vegas. 2,000 miles, and this is something I had never done before. I didn't know how to schedule an auto transport. I was unfamiliar with the terminology, and I just simply did not know what was normal. I was so nervous, not because I didn't want to move forward, but because I didn't fully understand the process. A young woman named Michelle walked me through everything. She answered all of my questions. She explained my options. I didn't want an open trailer. I wanted an enclosed one. But they were booked solid, and I had to make a decision. She told me, trust the process, not blindly, but informed. So I did. When the driver arrived, I watched him do something I absolutely could not do myself. Every movement was measured, intentional, experienced. And even me, with all of the what ifs running through my mind, I had to stop, breathe, and trust that David knew the ins and outs of cross-country auto transport. There was a moment where it looked like the back of my car was going to scrape the pavement. And every instinct in me wanted to say something, to step in, and to control what I was watching. But I stayed in my lane. I allowed myself to fully immerse in the moment, watching something stressful unfold, and trusting the professional to bring it to the right conclusion. 2,000 miles, no scratches, no dents. Dusty? Absolutely. Damage? Not at all. Every emotion was present. Nerves, doubt, relief, and then joy. Joy in reaching the finish line with someone who handled the job as if it were his own vehicle. That moment was priceless. This is what working with a real estate professional is like. Could I have tried to figure everything out on my own? Quite possibly. But understanding every risk, every timeline, every negotiation point, that comes with experience. Some things we absolutely can do ourselves. And some things are just better left to people who have mastered the craft. Not because we're incapable, but because expertise shortens the learning curve. And here's the important part. Even as a broker, I am not exempt from emotion. I still experience uncertainty. I still have what-if moments. I still have to pause and trust the process. Guidance matters, not because we lack intelligence, but because clarity is easier to maintain when you're not carrying the entire load alone. Real estate isn't just about opening doors. It's about understanding contracts, timelines, negotiations, inspections, and emotions all at the same time. A good agent doesn't remove your decision, they remove unnecessary confusion. Trusting a professional isn't giving up control, it's gaining clarity. And when clarity is present, outcomes tend to follow. Welcome to The Prime. Real Estate Explained.